This is the long-awaited moving vlog. Really pumped to show you guys this, so let's backtrack a little bit and share with you guys what we did. I didn't really talk that much while we were moving because it was a busy time and obviously we just had a lot of shit to do. I think you guys provided so many amazing tips for moving, which was the garbage bags on the clothes. That was a really good tip. Packing an essentials bag. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it somewhere up here. So I followed all those things and it definitely made our lives a lot easier. But what made our lives the most easy by far, and if you're working simultaneously with moving and you have the budget to do this, I highly recommend hiring movers. We ended up going with a really great moving company. They were awesome and they really kind of got our stuff together. It was a little bit slower than we anticipated just because we had a lot of things. We had so much stuff crammed into that little 600-foot apartment, and we had a very late night that night. So all of our stuff is here and I'm excited to be unpacking it over the next indefinite future. Yeah, we're really sad to go. Honestly, I got a little bit emotional yesterday just because it was our first home and we had so many amazing memories there.
All right.
Last dinner at the apartment.
I'm gonna feel sad.
I know, me too.
Oh, I feel sad. It's always kind of sad to like close one chapter, but exciting to open the new one. So I felt like I had to just kind of let all those feelings out. The main reason why we didn't vlog too much during the move is because our dog had a really rough time transitioning over to this new space. He wasn't there during our move. Thankfully, he was with my mom. But when he got here, he was kind of like, what? We basically spent the whole night consoling him. And that happened for 2 nights in a row. So we had the first 2 nights I was actually just really sad for my dog. I don't know if anyone else has gone through that, just because you're not able to communicate with them, and then yeah, I just don't want him to be scared. I asked my friend who owns a dog rescue about this topic, about moving them to a new home, and the best thing that you can do for them is just kind of let them decompress, give them what they need, but don't like coddle them. So that's what I've really been trying to focus on. So I feel like today is the first time I'm really able to pick up the camera because I know that he feels okay. If you guys haven't seen our empty house tour yet, you definitely should. Because it's obviously looking a little bit different now, but I will take you around a few places and show you guys. I feel like I'm wearing a wig. I'm so not used to my hair being this dark. Okay, quick tour. This is where the dining room will be. More shit. This is where our living room will be. Well, I mean, it is technically here. We do have a sofa. Oh my god, my hair's a mess. We do have a sofa coming in. I would say our bedroom is definitely the most done. This is what it's looking like right now. Sorry guys for the plastic water bottles. We didn't actually get our water filter back till today, so yeah, there's that. But you know what? Overall, it's looking pretty good in here. This is actually our old bed. This is the soft frame bed. It's you know, this one that was in our room. And same sheets and everything. The only thing that I actually purchased was this new coverlet. This is the Amber Interiors Anthro collab. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I really want something from her for a really long time. The lamp is from West Elm. I got that on sale like a year ago. And then the little nightstands, these are from EQ3. They're really great. We don't have anything in them right now, but they have like generous drawers. They're gonna look really good with our new bed, which is kind of similar to our old one, except it has a headboard. That chair and all that was from our living room. This is the room I'm gonna work on today. It is going to be my dressing room / closet. So I'm actually not going to be doing a traditional dressing room in here. Wow, it's really echoey. Okay, so this is the mirror from our living room in the apartment. This used to sit in our front hall. This is artwork that is going to go up there. This is going to be definitely the most colorful, like, fun room. The carpet is from Rugs USA and was originally in our apartment bedroom as well. I don't think this is staying here, but it's the only mirror I have that will work here because the big IKEA mirror is definitely going to go downstairs in the filming space. But yeah, I actually have to pick up 2 of my clothing racks. They're the silver clothing racks. I don't know if you guys actually have ever seen them, but I have 2 silver like retail grade clothing racks, and then I also have a chrome chair. The inspo in this room is going to be Kendall Jenner's dressing room from her Architectural Digest tour. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit both racks here. I may have to do like an L shape, but the plan is to keep this room really open, really free. And then I also have this closet here to hang not so cute stuff. I think this room is going to look really sweet once it's done. Like, can you imagine outfit photos here? I mean, I think we do need a bigger mirror, but yeah. Remember my closet declutter? Like, obviously we didn't declutter much because this is almost all my clothes. We do have some shoes in the bags here, but for the most part, everything else here is my clothes. But I don't want to put anything away till we have the rolling racks and I can really sort through stuff. And then I also need to figure out a solution for my socks and underwear. I could possibly swap this out for this. Maybe put that in there because that could, maybe that's probably more practical than this thing. Actually, that makes more sense. I'm thinking through it and that's probably what we're gonna do. Gotta let you know, 'cause I can't let you go. No more wasting time. We got older, babe. We used to be, and I wanna stay. Okay, so the racks are in. I'm going to give them a quick clean, and then we will set them up and start bringing some stuff in here. Okay, so while my camera is charging, I want to show you guys the progress. We put the racks in here, and then I actually swapped out that white dresser for this brown one. It just is going to be a little bit wet over there because I just cleaned it and wiped it down, but I think it's going to just look a lot better. And Actually, I kind of like the way the white one looked, but I think this just makes more sense for the amount of clothing I have. Oh my god, guys, look at this rainbow. Makes me so excited. All right, so we actually made a ton of progress. Look at my hair. It's crazy. We filled all of these items, which is really great. You guys may remember these. This one went in our hallway, and then the Toledo poster went in our bedroom, but I think that they go with this room. I mean, all this furniture is from my bedroom anyway, so I'm gonna move those over there as well. Next day, I am so pumped that this room is almost there. I feel like we're about 90% there, but really excited. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit around the room. This is pretty much what is going on. It's essentially my bedroom but turned into a closet room because that's where all the furniture is from. I didn't actually purchase anything new at all whatsoever to put together this room, and when I was planning it, that was kind of the plan. Like, I didn't want to invest in too many new pieces of furniture because I had so many cool things already. I'm excited to get dressed here. I'm excited to film in here, even though this isn't even the main filming room. This is just the closet. So this wide angle lens makes this room look massive, but it's really not that big. I would say it's like maybe 10 by 12 feet. You know how small this room is? I can confirm. Probably 10 by 12, but the wide angle makes it look so big. But if you think of like a typical clothing rack, these cover up pretty much these two walls. So that goes to show you how big the actual space is. Okay, I actually have confirmation. Apparently the room is 9'11" by 9'8". It's actually really easy because my closet was color coordinated already thanks to that closet declutter. So I did all my sweaters on this side, and then I did cool coats and like more frequently worn pants on this side. I've been getting so many questions about this rug on Instagram, and I posted the stories in here. And it is my bedroom rug, guys. It's from Rugs USA. They had terrible customer service, so I don't exactly recommend, but I will link some other rugs from other websites that I've heard are reputable, even though I didn't have like my own experience there, down below. But it's wool, it's cool, it feels vintage even though it's not. Then lying down here is some of like my cool shoes. But like obviously I need a better shoe situation. I'm thinking on this wall over here that you guys will see, maybe doing some sort of like floating shoe installation or for something. Also, you guys can see from this angle, we have a lot of space to roam. Like I could probably lie down here and sleep in the middle here. So we definitely need some sort of seating, because if I'm going to be doing outfit videos in here and stuff like that, I really do want some sort of seating to put on my shoes and whatever. Another view of the rug, and it really pops against this dark wood floor over here. I'm actually so grateful we didn't change the floors, because they're very, very workable. Like they don't pull red at all, which is probably my least favorite wood coloring. You know, that cherry red that's in a lot of homes? It's not exactly my favorite. So this is actually kind of cool. Over here, I'm either going to put the frames like in a row up here, because I think that'll add some height, or maybe we'll do more shelf storage. But the one thing I like about this room is that everything in here is very temporary. Like I didn't install an entire closet system, which is great, because then we can always convert this bedroom into an actual bedroom if we ever choose to. This, again, I showed you guys last night, but it fits perfectly under this window, and I'm gonna have to get a blind for this window. In here houses like my workout gear, some more sweaters, and then this closet that's in the room is like, there was more stuff in here, but I'm thinking of, once I have the proper hangers, like transferring all this to this rack, and then figuring a different solution for my coats, because they don't really need to be in this room, but I think they look cool. That's the only reason why they're out here. It's not so bad in here. I think everything is like really working for now. I'm glad I didn't have to buy anything. I also decided to put my makeup here. It's the same setup as in my bedroom. Moving along here, some of my jewelry and stuff that I wear every day. I personally think this mirror's a little bit too small for the space, like even if it was hung. It's just not like ideal for outfit photos, so I will be reevaluating this at some point, but it will do for now, and it helps bounce out a lot of light. It's very exciting. Guys, I'm still in belief I have an entire room for my clothes. I grew up sharing a room with my sister, and we always had like shared storage, shared everything, so this is very, very different for me, even though I'm like obviously an adult now and whatever, but never had a full-on space for all this stuff, and I get to shoot all these things I love. It's actually inspiring me to make fashion videos again, because you guys know I haven't done that much this year, but having a room like this is really kind of like, it's getting the creative juices flowing.